Hi everyone, it's very late in the night here today, but I just can't sleep thinking about that vicious, nasty, evil attack in Kashmir. What can we all do about this? Let us make an effort from our own side to help the survivors. So in the spirit of that, I, who usually donate the takings of Good Friday, would like to donate 3 lakhs to the survivors of the Kashmir attack. Today, we are all Hindus. My Muslim friends also said this to me. My Christian friends said this to me. We are all Hindus today. I really don't know what to say. Sometimes humanity, I struggle to understand it. God bless you all. Keep the faith. Stay calm.